If you've ever hit record in OBS Studio and then suddenly seen your capture stop or freeze, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. Today, I'll walk you through a complete troubleshooting guide for fixing OBS Studio when it stops recording unexpectedly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the steps you need to get your recordings running reliably again, no matter what's causing the problem. Let's dive straight in with some general troubleshooting steps. First up, something simple. Try restarting OBS itself. Go ahead and close it completely, wait a moment, and then launch it again. Sometimes, software gets a little stuck, and a fresh restart can clear out any tiny glitches that are interfering with recording. Next, restart your PC. This might sound basic, but you'd be surprised how many persistent bugs simply disappear after a reboot. The operating system gets a clean slate, your hardware reloads its drivers, and any background processes that might have been hogging resources get reset. For best results, remember to save your work before you restart. Once your machine's back up, try running OBS Studio as an administrator. Just right-click the OBS shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This gives OBS the full permission it needs to access the right hardware, right files, and operate smoothly. If you've never tried this before, it can solve some subtle issues that come from permissions. Also, make sure your OBS Studio is up to date. Developers regularly release updates that squash bugs and improve compatibility. Head to the OBS website or use the built-in updater to check for new versions. You want to be on the latest one whenever possible. Hand in hand with that, update your GPU drivers. Outdated or corrupt graphics drivers are a common culprit behind recording failures and weird crashes. To update, visit the website of your GPU manufacturer, whether it's NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. After installing, restart your PC again if prompted. While you're at it, check for conflicting software. Sometimes, programs running in the background, especially those that use your GPU, like video editors, game overlays, or even webcam utilities, can trip up OBS Studio. Close these out, and if you suspect a specific service like Logitune Updater service might be interfering, pause or uninstall it temporarily to test. On Windows, it's worth checking your game mode settings. Game mode is supposed to help with gaming performance, but sometimes it has the opposite effect with programs like OBS. Head to your Windows settings, search Game Mode, and turn it off while recording. Now let's adjust your OBS settings directly. Lowering output settings is a great way to make your system's workload more manageable. Start by reducing the bitrate in your output settings. A lower bitrate might result in smaller files and slightly lower quality, but it's often worth it for reliable recording, especially on older systems. Next, tweak your encoder preset. If you're using X264, try switching to a faster preset, like very fast instead of fast. This increases CPU usage a little, but can prevent your PC from getting overwhelmed, which is sometimes what causes recording to stop. Lowering in-game or source settings can help too. If you're capturing gameplay, try reducing the frame rate or output resolution. Think of this as turning down the intensity so your system can keep up. Setting FPS a little lower or choosing 720p instead of 1080p can make a huge difference for smooth, uninterrupted recording. Enabling VSync can be helpful too. VSync stops your graphics card from running flat out, which can make things more stable if OBS keeps crashing when the GPU is stressed. It's also important to check your audio settings. Make sure your input and output devices are selected correctly. If OBS isn't sure where to get your mic or speaker audio, it can lead to errors, even stopping your recording entirely. If you've made it this far and OBS is still giving you trouble, let's try something more advanced. Collect your current log file by going to Help Log Files, upload current log file, and then post the URL on the OBS forums. Logs provide technical details that can help get targeted advice from the community or even the developers. And as a true last resort, you may need to use Task Manager to terminate the OBS process if the program is totally frozen. Just know, this will most likely corrupt your recording file, but in some cases, copying the partially finished file to another location before you end the process might let you salvage it. And there you go. Those are all the steps you'll need to tackle when OBS Studio keeps stopping your recordings. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to give the video a like. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need more advice. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.